Hello. I realized that I haven't tortured myself enough with the noise Pizza Face got tired of waiting, and the noise Lab 5s. So I thought, how can we make this better and more torturous? I thought about the Noise Lab 8 mod that has been released recently. I looked on Game Banana, and wouldn't you know, Noise Lab 10 has been, okay, well, not really Noise Lab 10, but a Lab 10 that's compatible with the Noise update has been released. So, you know what that means. Fish! You know what that means. We're gonna be doing every level that's possible, assuming all of them are possible, but in case there are impossible ones, we're gonna be doing every level that's possible with the noise. So, let's get right into it. With John Gutter, and we're already at the escape sequence, which is nice. So we're on lap 1 out of 10. Let's go. Killing it out here. We're already 10% of the way done. Well, not actually, because we gotta finish lap 1 to be 10% of the way done. Yeah, so 2 times the laps is lap 5. Oopsie. I'm the noise. Alright, we're 10% of the way done. Let's move right on to lap 2. Hopefully this isn't too hard, because I don't want to be here for a really long time. It's doing fucking John Gutter. And with how long some of the other levels took on like laps, like 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, laps 5, I'm scared to know how long Blood Sauce Dungeon is gonna take. Just saying. Time for lap 3. Looks like we have the Pepino music here. Cool as hell, so I don't care. This song never gets old. It's been around for more than a year, but it never gets old, no matter how much I listen to it. No matter how many lapping mods I play, this song will never get old. It's too good. I almost kind of want to stall just to listen to it longer. Alright, well, lap 4. There's no war timer. Interesting. No war timer. Why though? Oh. So it's W to continue from lap 4, not Q. It's gonna be hard to get used to. Let's try this again. Alright, that's much better. Lap 5. This is a new song. I like Noise's TV spread up there. So silly. Little tongue flopping back and forth. That sucks, not gonna lie. Sorry to whoever created it, but this song's kind of mid. It takes too long to get intense. It still hasn't gotten intense, and I'm almost done with the whole lap. Okay, I can hear it getting intense, but I'm already done. So, like, what's the point? Alright, lap 6. It's also a new song. Kind of a shame. I really like Doppelganger's Delight V1. Or V2. Really like that one. Some people complain that it's not intense, but I feel like Fake Pupino and Lap 6 in general is supposed to be kind of creepy. Especially with the flag and how Fake Pupino moves around. So I feel like it kind of fits well. Just the slow moving beat. Alright, lap 7. The duo. Why is Pasta La Vista playing now? Where's Moon-Eyed Madness? Yes, we got the duo. Fabled duo. Fake Santa and Goblin. Goblin Man. I'm gonna call him Goblin Man. I don't remember his name. Aw, man. No more Moon-Eyed Madness. It's Pasta La Vista on lap 7 for some reason. This is the lap 5 song. Please fix your mod. Put this over whatever the fuck that other lap 5 song was that was really bad. Please. Make your mod good. It's still fire though. Just on the wrong lap. Alright, well lap 8, time for hell. Lap 8's where it really gets tough. At least Holy Ravioli shit's still here. This song is so good. Why is Holy Ravioli shit such a banger? Dear God. They didn't have to cook this hard. It sounds kind of like a circus. Which I like because, you know, the tomato topping monster kind of looks like a clown. He's kind of like a circus, you know. This Speak. This song's awesome. And then this whole episode is just me yapping about the songs. I swear the next episode will be me talking about the gameplay more. I just the music in lapping mods always confuses me. Sometimes they get it all fucked up. It's unfortunate. Still gotta use the strat here. Yep. See, old reliable. All reliable. Run into the Fork Knight strat. It always works. And that's it. Alright, and lap 9 with Pizza Mancer. Never mind, it's Doise. Cool. Doise is cool. I like Doise. Let's go. No more Pizza Mancer. Pizza Mancer's cringe. He drops bombs. Insane. It's not like there wasn't another character doing that. You know? Goblin Man. I am actually pretty surprised at how fast I'm doing this. Wow. Genuinely surprised. I usually don't do shit this fast. Alright, well, lap 10. With, okay, there's the War Timer, and there's Fast Snick. Fast Snick is real. God, why do I have Bucket? Kid. I'm not complaining. Bucket's awesome. But why? Why do I have Bucket? Dude, I love how I have Bucket. It's so fucking funny. Bucket. Why? Why have Bucket? They made this mod peak. They gave you Bucket on lap 10. Nothing can stop me now. I'm gonna beat the second try because I have Bucket. I have the power of Bucket on my side. Nothing can stop me now. I have Bucket. Oh shit. Okay, I messed up the strat. I'm gonna third try this because I have Bucket. It's over for all of these guys. All of them done for. I have Bucket. I have Bucket and they don't. What? Why did he hit me? Okay. Didn't really matter, but why did he do that? Go. There we go. Run. Run really fast. Run really, really fast. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye. Oh, bozos. El bozos. Goodbye.